Okay, it's Sunday, March 15th, at 11:30 in the morning. We did get some snow. We didn't get any over the winter, but I dumped it all on us here in March. Turkeys don't know what to think about all this. It's probably a good 3 inches, maybe 4, and I guess it's still coming down out there. I see it out there in the clearing. I'm still seeing it coming down. It's falling off the roofs and the chairs, so I can't really tell. And it's still close to 40 degrees out there, has been. I don't know what it got down to last night, but it has not been that cold. But what can you say? This is the new weather these days. So yeah, on the table out there, I'd say it's probably 4 inches. Minimum 3, probably 4. Okay, that's it. There's the turkeys just standing here. They were under shelter for a bit, but I don't know what this is all about. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.